Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma Original. First, familiarize yourself with Gamma's clean and intuitive interface. The dashboard is your central hub, offering quick access to all your projects and creation tools. You'll find it simple to navigate, whether you're starting a new presentation or revisiting an old one. We'll cover how to initiate your first project, ensuring a smooth start to your creative process. Now, let's dive into building your content. Gamma makes it incredibly easy to add different elements, from text and images to videos and embedded content. Leverage the AI-powered suggestions to refine your ideas and improve the overall structure of your presentation. The flexible card system allows you to arrange your information logically, ensuring a clear and engaging narrative for your audience. Personalizing your presentation is where Gamma truly shines. You can choose from a wide array of professional themes and easily customize colors to align with your brand or personal style. Adjusting fonts and layouts ensures your content is not only visually appealing, but also highly readable. Don't forget to add interactive elements, like polls or quizzes, to keep your audience actively engaged throughout your presentation. Finally, let's talk about sharing your amazing work. Gamma allows you to easily share your presentation with a unique link, making collaboration and distribution simple. You can also export your content in several formats, such as PDF or PowerPoint, for offline viewing or integration with other tools. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to stay refreshed while you create.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.